How's everybody doing today? I couldn't be more excited. Let's talk about a couple of things. Now, today, April 26th, it's Wednesday. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Gina Young's going to be going live. Yes, we're going live. We're doing a whole live cooking session where you all can cook along with me. It is so much fun. So what I've done today is I've posted a community post what we're going to be cooking. We're going to be making loaded baked potatoes with shrimp on it and all of your favorite fixings on your baked potato. This recipe is going to be easy, cost effective, and we're going to have a good time. So what we usually do is we'll cook the recipe together. We say an amazing prayer. We eat together. And then after that, for the rest of the evening, we sit and chit chat for the rest of the evening. And if it's nice outside this evening, we'll come out here and chat for a little bit. I have some really exciting news for you all, and I can't wait to tell you. Did I mention we're going live today, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? I cannot believe that school is almost over. I can't believe it. I feel like he just started school. But yet here in a couple of days, school is almost over for the summer. I know he's excited. He's one of those kids that he loves school. He loves school to death. But when it's time to wake up in the morning, not so much. He didn't like to get up in the morning. But once he gets up and going, he's good. I wanted to talk about something that I'm not sure if you all know about this. So now, what you can do, I hear a lot of people saying, I didn't get a notification about, maybe a video. I didn't get a notification about you going live. I didn't get a notification when you posted a community post. What I would like to tell you all, one thing that you can do is you can go to your settings on your phone. Once you get to the settings, then you want to allow your phone to send you notifications from YouTube. It's like wham bam, and it's so easy, right? It's like not rocket. You don't have to be a rocket science to know how to do it. Go to your settings, allow your phone to accept notifications from YouTube, and I feel like your problem will be solved. Okay, I hope y'all are having a great day today with God on your side. So now let's get to the topic at hand. Gina Young has a new channel, and I couldn't be more excited to share my new channel name with you all. The new channel name is Healthy Recipes with Gina. So go on over, tell everybody you know, tell your family, your friends, your grandma, tell everybody at church, tell the whole world about Gina Young's new channel. So Gina, what are you going to be doing on a new channel? Well, for this new channel, we are going to be making healthy recipes. That's going to include vegetarian recipes, keto recipes, diabetic friendly recipes, healthy foods, healthy desserts. We're going to be juicing on that channel. We are going to have so much fun. Now, let's also talk about this. I feel like, this is just me personally how I feel. I feel like the world thinks that if a recipe is healthy, that it's not going to taste good. That's far from the truth. And I'm going to prove it to you. What I'm going to prove to you all, that eating healthy can be delicious, it can be flavorful, and it's not going to be disgusting. All right? I have an enormous amount of recipes I have been wanting to share with you all, and I know that this channel is going to be the perfect platform to show you all those recipes. Recipes that you're not going to have to feel bad about eating after you eat it. You ever ate something before and you thought, oh man, I shouldn't have had that. Maybe I need to unbutton a couple of buttons, after you get done eating. You're not going to feel that way. We're going to be eating clean. We're going to be making clean, healthy recipes. beautiful fruits and veggies. We're going to do fish. We're going to do chicken. I'm going to show you so many different recipes. You're going to want to grab a paper and a pencil and take notes. Absolutely. And then once we get this channel up and going, we're going to start going live. We're going to be doing live cooking sessions out here in the back. We're going to be grilling. We're going to be preparing dishes out here. You all can listen to the birds and watch the sunshine, and you may see a couple of deers back here, but we're going to have fun. Now, you don't want to forget about this channel here, because on this channel, we're still going to be doing what we always do. We go live 2 times a week. We do live cooking sessions, okay? We have several videos throughout the week. Okay, I pretty much upload on this channel every day, sometimes 2 videos a day. We're going to do the same thing over there. Absolutely we are. So if you like to eat healthy, you're looking for healthy recipes, you're not sure how to make a healthy recipe, taste good, guess what? Your girl's got you. I got you. Look at me. I got my pen at hand. I got my paper over here. I am brainstorming on what type of recipes to bring you all that's going to make you all happy. Listen, if you're taking care of grandmom and grandpa, you know they need healthy foods. I got you. I got you, and I am so excited. So now I already have a video uploaded on the new channel, Healthy Recipes with Gina. Go over, check that video out, and give that video a thumbs up. Now, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on the notification bell, and after you click on the notification bell, you want to make sure to press that all button. It's a little black button. And you'll see once you press all, at the bottom of your device, it'll say, okay, you'll get all notifications of what this channel is doing. Okay, so this right here is so exciting. I got my new juicing machine coming in the mail. It's coming. And if I didn't mention, we're going to do our cooking video, our first cooking video for that channel on Monday. On Monday, it's going to be so much fun. You don't want to miss this. Tell your family and friends and everybody you know. Tell the whole world what Gina Young is getting ready to do on this other channel. So now, this weekend, we're going to work on a new intro. This is really exciting. We're going to work on a new intro and an outro for the videos for that channel. You all know the intro that we have for this channel. We want to make a different one for that channel. We're working on the border for the top of the channel, what we're going to display. Right now, we have, you know, like, or not a border, the banner. Right now, we have a banner up, but we will be changing that also this weekend. We got a lot of exciting things going on right now, okay? I'm also going to be taking requests for the other channel of recipes that you would love to be seen made into healthy recipes. I'm looking for requests for desserts that you would like to be made. I'm also looking for, here's what you can do. When you go over to the other channel, underneath the video, whether it's the video that I posted yesterday on the new channel or whether it's the new video that I'm going to post on Monday, message me underneath those videos and say what you would like to be seen, what you would like to see on that channel. You know, hey Gina, can you show me how to make, you know, low fat so-and-so? Can you show me how to make sugar-free so-and-so? Can you show me how to make a keto recipe? Tell me what you all are looking for so Gina Young can bring it to you all. You ask for it, I'm going to bring it to you. Absolutely I am. Healthy Recipes with Gina. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put a link in the comment section where you all go to the comments to message me underneath this video. I'm going to pin a comment, and my comment is just going to be a link that you can click on that's going to take you straight to my new channel. Okay, because I seen yesterday that there were some people saying, how do I get to the channel? And I don't just want to say, type it in. Although you can type it in, Healthy Recipes with Gina. Okay, but for some reason, if you don't have the time, in the comment section, I'll have the link. You can click on it, go on over, subscribe. The weather is beginning to break, and I am totally loving the sun. I'm definitely somebody that can sit out here all day and night. You hear me? Absolutely. I could sit out here all day and night. Just sit back and relax and listen to the birds. My goodness. I like to take my socks and my shoes off. I do. And just, I want the sun beating down on my feet. Is there anybody that's like that out there? Let me know. Or is it just me? My husband thinks I'm totally nuts. He said I could be fully dressed. I can be fully dressed. I'm taking my socks and my shoes off when I get out here in the back. And I like to put my feet up in the other chair, onto the chair cushion. And I want the sun just shining down on my feet. I want that vitamin D to just soak down into my skin. I want to bring you all some amazing healthy recipes, Gina Young style. You're going to want to write home about these recipes. You're going to want to tell everybody you know about these recipes and how flavorful they are, even though they're healthy. Until the next video, God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Good night. Don't forget about today, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be cooking live.